Upstate Groove.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in us. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a track. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas next.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So far guys, I wanted to show you guys what I've done to the welding table so far. I know I've been doing car videos, truck shows, and all that good stuff, but it's time for me to get back on my welding table, and I want to show you guys what have I done so far to it since the time I uploaded the last time. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around so you guys can look and see what I'm doing. All right guys, so here's my little seat right here, red and black. So I kind of wanted everything to match, guys. If you can tell, I have red and black. I painted the rails, however you call it. I painted those black, gloss black. I got the red wheels on the bottom. I also installed this here, so that way I can put my pipe up here and I can just weld how I want to weld freely without falling or anything like that. And if you guys can tell, I also painted this red. So if you was watching my previous video, well, my last video when I had stated that I was gonna paint this, guys, this was a blue, and it's still blue right here. You could tell that it's still blue in the insides right there. I'm not gonna worry about that, guys, because when I put pipe inside there, that paint is just gonna wear off anyways, so I'm not too cared about that right now. I will be making a base plate right here on the side. That way I can put this vise right there on that base plate. That way it won't be directly on the table. So yeah guys, so what we're gonna do today, I got these little figures here. So I was thinking about maybe installing one on each side of the welding table, like kind of like that, just to give it a little characteristics. Or I was thinking about maybe putting this here and putting a pipe right next to it, not next to it, but right behind it. That way I can go ahead and wrap up holes, whatever I need to wrap up right there, guys. But I'm gonna make a separate video of how much all of this costed right here, this whole setup. And I will be making a video of how much all of that costed me as well. That way you guys can take a good look and get a good idea on how much you guys can spend on the equipment. So it's a good investment, guys. We all need it. Especially if we welders, we need our own equipment at home, guys. So yeah guys, so I just wanted to make a video about the welding table that I'm building right now and the process on how it's going to be looking. So I appreciate you guys for stopping by, tuning in, and watching my videos. I appreciate all the love and support that y'all been giving me. Make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see out of this welding table. I will be adding more things to it. So y'all just stay tuned. And yeah, y'all just drop a comment down below, guys. Give me a thumbs up on every video I post if you like it, or y'all have any questions. Y'all make sure y'all give me a shout out on the inbox down below. And I will be willing to assist y'all. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and weld this up here. I'm gonna go ahead and weld that up there, and I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look like on the after I finish it. So that way you guys can take a look at what I'm trying to do, what kind of way I'm going with this right here. So y'all just stay tuned, and yeah, let me go ahead and get to start the work. So this is what we got So this is what we looking like, guys. So we got the figure, the little welder guy on here, and I pretty much just ran a bead across, if you guys can look and tell. First, guys, when you're doing this, you want to make sure your metal is very clean. As you guys can see on this table here, it's really dirty here. So all you have to do is just get your grinder, guys, grinder this, and just grind it off a little bit, and then you'll be good to go. That way your tungsten won't wear out as fast. So we got two more here, guys. I might put one on this side. I might put one here on this side, just like that. And then this other one, I don't know where I'm gonna put that one at. Still trying to figure out where I want that one at as well. But I got more logos coming, Texas logos and things like that, guys. But if you guys want a welding table built the right way, man, DM me on my Instagram page. Let me know if you guys want one of these. And I will give you a good price on the whole table if you guys want a table done like this. If you guys are in the Houston area watching my videos, then that way we can get it. I can get it shipped out to you. Not shipped, but I can take it to your location, or you can just come pick it up here local at my residence. But yeah, guys, if you want one of these done, hit my Instagram up. It is Kings_Life 2019. Check me out, and yeah, I can build you one of these, guys. So I think that looked pretty sick right there with that logo on there, if you ask me. But we got more work to do on this welding table. We also have a nice finish, like a grill top type that's gonna go on the top here, like a mesh grill. And then I'm gonna weld that on here as well. And I'm gonna also put some piping under here to hold my rods and stuff up with. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool, guys. I love this setup, man. That way you guys can take a look at, you know, what projects I have lined up and things like that. It's just something different to show you guys. Anybody can do this, you know. You can do it, I can do it. Anybody, you know, just put your mind to it and you can do it, guys. But I showed you something good today, guys. I hope you are learning from me. Drop a comment down below, let me know if I am or not. Let me know what y'all want to see more out of the welding table. I will be doing more things to it. So with that being said, guys, this video is pretty much done for the night. I dropped 2 other videos earlier today, so y'all make sure y'all go watch them. And I got another video dropping tomorrow on this welding table as well. So y'all check me out, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share my videos, guys. That's the most important thing. Share my videos. Make sure y'all give me that thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. Like I say all the time, let me know what y'all think of these DIYs videos that I'm doing with the welding table. So with that being said, guys, y'all stay safe out there. I really care about y'all. I want to make sure that y'all are being safe. Make sure you wear your mask. Make sure you you know, put your Germ-X on your hands, your family hands and everything. Make sure they don't touch their face right away once they get out of the grocery stores and everything, because I want y'all in good health and everything. So y'all just make sure y'all do that for me. Yeah, just like that, guys, this is it. Oh, if y'all want a mask, guys, DM me. Let me know that y'all want a mask. That way I will send it to you. It has the King's Life logo on the side. So if you guys want one of them, I'm currently out of the black and red, but I also have the red and black right now. So if you guys want a mask, hit me up on my DM. Not DM, I'm thinking about Instagram. Let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to get it to you guys. I will ship it to y'all and everything, man. The masks are going for $15, guys. That's how much they are going for. So if you want one, just hit me up and I'll get it to you guys. So I really appreciate y'all's love and support that y'all been giving me. Yeah, more videos coming on the welding table. I'll see y'all in the next video.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the